In this lesson, we will look at how to add a section, write a description for it, and set up its basic settings. A section is an introduction to lessons that allows you to group them by topics or modules. To add a section, go to the course page. Click the arrow next to the Add Lesson button and select Add Section. You can also create a section directly from the lesson builder. In the menu on the left, go to the list of lessons and select Add Section. Be sure to enter the section title and description to introduce the student to the topics. You can customize your description text. A section also has specific settings. Next to the required section, click the three dots and select Section Settings. Access defines the availability of the section for students. You can set access as closed, lessons will be unavailable to students, open or hidden, unavailable to students, but viewable and editable by instructors. You can also schedule the section to open on a specific date and time. To set the opening date, choose one of the following options. On date, the section will open on the selected date and time, or in, the section will open relative to the publication date of the previous lesson. Additionally, you can set the available time for completing all lessons in the section. Unlimited, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. Be sure to click Apply after making all changes to save them. In the drop-down menu, you will also find options to duplicate, copy to course, and delete. The duplicate option adds a copy of the section with all lessons, tests, and settings to the current course. Copy to course transfers the section with all its lessons, tests, and settings to another course. By clicking Delete, you permanently remove the section with its lessons and tests for both you and your students. Finally, you can add an image to represent the section. It will appear in the student account, in the course program, in the lesson section of your SendPulse account, and in the mobile app. This helps instructors and students quickly find the right lessons within different sections. To add a preview in the right panel of the section, enable the Section Preview option, click Choose an Image, and select a preview from the File Manager. After creating and adjusting the section, click Save or Save and Exit in the upper right corner of the screen.